Hi everyone, in this video we will look at what is relationship in Power BI and how to create the relationship between the tables. In this case, we have 5 tables. The sales table, it's a fact table that contains the details about the sales. The location table, it's a dimension table. It contains the information about the location, and it is a primary key. It's a location ID is a primary key that is a reference key on the sales table, and location ID it's a foreign key in the sales table. And the product table having information about the products, that is a primary key product ID. It contains the product ID which identifies each product uniquely. And we have date on which date the item has been sold. And the last one is a customer table. And the primary key is customer ID in this table, and its reference key is customer ID in the sales table, that is a foreign key. Now we want to build the relationship, one-to-many relationship between the sales and the dimensions table. So first we will we will choose this location table, that is a location ID is a primary key in this table, and drag and drop on the sales fact table. Now new table will appear and it has automatically directed the relationship from one to many, and we have to click on the save button. So the relationship has been created between the sales and the location table, and it is going from one to many, and the filtration part is one way from location to sales. Another table we have, it's a product table, and the primary key is product ID. And on this table we have also a product ID. We will connect it. Drag and drop with the product ID. Now one to many relationship, and the filtration direction is single. Now we have also created the relationship. The last and the second last table, it is a customer table. The customer ID, it's a primary key in this table. The last table we have, it's a date table that contains the information about the date on which date the product has been sold. We will connect it, date, shipping date, one to many, and we have also have a date that will connect with the order date table. We have two dates in this fact table, the order date and the shipping date. As we can see, there are two relationships with this table, date table with the sales table, but one relationship is inactive. Only this relationship, the date table with the ship date table, is active. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.